Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I am going to make this type of flower. It is really a scrap yarn project. So here we are going to make the center of the flower. So I am going to wrap the yarn around my two fingers like this. So it is overlapping, and I am going to hold it in my thumb and index finger, then inserting the hook. This is the magic circle method. If you are my subscriber, you know I always do this method. So chain 1, then I am going to make 15 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now I'm going to tighten the other end of the yarn so it is closed, and now I am going to slip stitch to join. Don't worry if it is not perfect, it's okay. If you miss one single crochet, you can adjust it. Now I'm going to cut the yarn, get it out. Now I'm going to use my pink yarn. By the way, I'm using a size 5 hook. Now I'm going to insert hook in one of the single crochet stitches, and I'm going to bring my new yarn just like this, then making chain 3, 1 2 3, and in the next stitch I am going to make a double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops at a time, then yarn over and go through the next 2 loops, then make one more double crochet in the next stitch. Then we are going to chain 3, going to this, and I made a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3 and just make one more petal, one double crochet and the second double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 3 and slip stitch to the next stitch, then chain 3, then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch, 1 2 3 petals. We need 2 more petals, so chain 3, one double crochet, then another double crochet, then chain 3, slip stitch to the next stitch, then we are making the last petal. So one double crochet in the next one, and the next one another double crochet in the next stitch, then we chain 3, and I am going to slip stitch to the beginning. That itself is a nice flower, as you can see. I'm going to lock this yarn. But I wanted to give a little bit of shade like this, so I'm going to see My next yarn is white. I'm going to insert my hook in the middle of these 2 double crochets in any of the petals. I'm going to make double crochet. So the beginning double crochet is chain 3. Then I'm going to the next space and make a double crochet. Make sure the yarn tail is behind you. Then chain 2, then insert the hook where you made the slip stitch. We are making an extended single crochet or a spike single crochet. Just go into the same space as the slip stitch, bring up the loop and make a single crochet. Then again make chain 2, then make chain 2, make chain 1, 2, then I'm going to make a double crochet, 1 and 2, and there is one more in here. Then I'm going to make chain 2, then an extended single crochet. If you didn't see it, it's in here. The slip stitch is in this yellow stitch, the same place where I am inserting the hook, bringing up a loop, making it up a little bit, then making the single crochet. Then chain 2 again, going to the space between the chain 3 and the double crochet and make a double crochet. Double crochets between the stitches of the previous row. So I made 3 double crochets, then chain 2, then an extended single crochet. Okay, now chain 2, then double crochet and double crochet and one more double crochet. Sorry, lost it. Okay, now I got it. Then chain 2 and extended double crochet. Sorry, it is not in the correct space. Okay, here. After the extended double crochet, we are going to make chain 2, then our double crochets between the double crochets and the chain 3s, then chain 2 and another extended double crochet. Then we have to reach here, so I'm going to make chain 2, then 1 double crochet in here, then that's it. I am going to slip stitch the top of the chain 3 here to finish it off. Now I can cut the yarn. All I have left is to weave in the yarns. If you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.